120 secondes. L'invité de la rédaction.
Il y a 5 ans, presque jour pour jour, la banque d'affaires américaine Lehman Brothers faisait faillite, précipitant les marchés financiers mondiaux dans une crise majeure. Rajiv Patel, vous êtes attaché économique à l'ambassade d'Inde à Berne et consultant pour Couleur 3. Vous nous parlez ce matin de cet anniversaire.
Yeah, hi Vince, how are you? Look, a cake, I brought a cake along.
Vous avez amené
I'm so excited.
Vous avez amené
I
un
love
gâteau.
birthdays.
Vous avez amené un gâteau, mais j'ai pas tout à fait compris ce que vous fêtez exactement.
Did you
Rajiv.
read the news yesterday? With the Fed is keeping on pumping in the money and everything, so that's really
oui,
great
oui.
news, you know.
La-
And then the 5 years of the Lehman Brothers. I'm so excited.
La réserve fédérale américaine a
Yes.
annoncé en effet qu'elle maintient ses mesures de soutien exceptionnelles.
Exactly,
c'est
it's an
ça
after party basically.
C'est un peu une after.
It wasn't expected by the investors. Yes,
Voilà.
everyone's very excited. The markets have been shooting up,
D'accord.
and the drugs are free.
Vous tournez tout ça en dérision, mais il faut quand même rappeler que la crise de 2008 a été extrêmement violente. Elle a eu des conséquences économiques importantes sur la vie de millions de personnes.
Not at all. It's the best thing that could have happened actually to the markets, really.
Mais les gens ont souffert.
No, not at all. Did you suffer? Did I suffer? Come on, Vincent. No. This is all a great big game, you know. It's having fun. It's basically
C'est un
just...
grand jeu.
Yeah. It's just entertainment. This is the great thing about, you know, markets shooting up and down. It's a game. We need it. It's like, you know, it's like food or air or, you know, iOS 7. It's something that we need, crises. Otherwise, we get bored.
Je comprends pas vraiment ce terme de jeu. J'ai pas l'impression que les travailleurs, les épargnants considèrent qu'ils sont en train de jouer à un jeu, Rajiv.
Well, of course, that's because they don't even know how the economy works at all, the whole global economy thing. They don't know how it works. They don't understand. That's
Parce
why.
qu'ils ne comprennent rien au fonctionnement de l'économie globale. Alors,
Exactly.
expliquez-nous comment elle fonctionne, cette économie
Fine,
globale.
very fine. Okay, have you ever been to Vegas? You've been to Vegas, yeah?
Oui, je suis déjà allé à Las Vegas.
Vegas, you got all these great casinos like, you know, the MGM Grand and the Circus Circus.
Ouais,
Have you been to the Luxor, you know?
Il y a plein de-
It's great,
il y a
right?
plein de
Caesar's
casinos.
Palace, all of that.
Ouais.
There's so much choice. So basically, how do you choose? That's the problem. How do you choose when you go to
Comment
Vegas?
est-ce qu'on choisit son...
Vincent, how do you choose?
Je sais pas, j'imagine qu'on se fie à son instinct.
No, of course not. Forget instinct. That's a very bad tip. What you got to do is get insider information. Insider information. You got to find someone who
il
really
faut
knows
trouver
the
des
market.
informations,
Try to get that. Find out, you know, something that
exclusif, c'est ça?
Yes, exactly. You want to find out which casino is handing out more money than the other one. You know
D'accord,
what
il
I
faut essayer
mean?
de trouver le casino qui reverse un peu plus de gains que les autres. Et
That's
alors,
right.
dans l'économie globale, c'est qui le casino qui paye mieux que les autres?
Well, in the 90s, basically, what you had is the Southeast Asia Casino. You know, that was a great big
Alors, dans
resort.
les années 90,
very
c'était
beautiful.
l'Asie du Sud-Est.
Yes,
ouais.
everyone was going there, you know, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, all of that, getting lots of money. Then there was a crisis, basically. And the crisis made that people go away from that casino shut down,
D'accord,
and they
ensuite.
sort of moved over the Pacific Ocean to the America Grand Casino.
Donc ce casino a fait faillite et puis
Exactly.
l'épargne est partie aux États-Unis dans le marché immobilier.
Yeah, exactly. And then it started booming in the 2000 years. It boomed there and everything. It went into the real estate. You said
Voilà.
it. That was beautiful until there was a new crisis over there.
D'accord,
Yeah,
donc ça a boomé un petit moment, puis ensuite de ça,
And
nouvelle
then the
crise.
money kind of shifted back to the emerging markets. This
Voilà.
is like, you know, the Brazil Casino and the Taj Mahal Grand India Casino. All of this.
D'accord,
Yeah,
donc
yeah.
en 2008 avec
And
la
then they
crise,
started booming.
ce casino a aussi fait faillite, l'argent est donc
Exactly.
reparti dans les marchés émergents comme le Brésil,
true.
l'Inde, mais depuis cette année, on parle d'un début de crise justement dans ces mêmes marchés émergents.
Absolutely. You are very good at economy, Vincent. Very good. Yes, exactly. Emerging markets are going down the drain right now. And so what it is time to switch casinos again. But you see, it's just a game. It's sort of switching around. It's like pub crawling, you know?
D'accord,
Pub crawl, you know what a pub crawl is?
Oui, c'est un peu comme faire la tournée des bars. Il faut
Exactly.
maintenant trouver
Bar hopping, you know?
un nouveau
So there's
casino.
casino hopping, going from one casino to the other and all of that, you
D'accord.
know?
Est-ce que vous n'avez pas l'impression que d'une crise à l'autre, les investisseurs apprennent quelque chose quand même?
No, not at all. They never learn a single thing. That's the great
Jamais.
thing about it. Yeah.
No?
But you know, Vegas is not about learning lessons anyway. You know, Vincent? Vegas is just about having a lot of fun, you know?
Ouais, c'est vrai qu'on va
That's
pas,
important.
on va pas à Las Vegas pour apprendre quelque chose, prendre des leçons. On y va surtout pour s'amuser, c'est ça?
That's right. And I'm going to blow the candles for this thing to kind of celebrate the Lehman Brothers thing, you know?
Merci Rajiv Patel
Gosh.
d'avoir été avec nous pour évoquer le 5e anniversaire de la faillite des Lehman Brothers.
Sure.
Je rappelle que vous êtes attaché économique à l'ambassade d'Inde à Berne et consultant pour Couleur 3.
Happy birthday, Lehman Brothers!
Ouais.
Now we're going to give out a cake to everyone, okay? Who wants a piece?
Bon, moi je veux bien.
Everyone kind of wants a piece of pie, you know? This is really great kind of thing. You want a piece of pie, darling?
120 secondes avec les séjours linguistiques EF. EF.com